Okay, hey, I thought I'd do this more or less it's a wrap-up video for the class, and because I wanted to discuss, things. Right, these 2 weeks here from chapters 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Those are all the the chapters for exam 4, and see, exam 4, I'll have an announcement about it coming up soon, right? Exam 4, right? We'll cover, those chapters, and there's a quiz that you need to take. They'll all be due before April 30th. I think your lab practical is due on May 8th, unless that's changed. All right, but there'll be an announcement about that in lab. So be sure you complete that, and I'll put your total lab points you've earned for that in the grade book for class, and I'll show you that in a minute. So right, because your grade will be determined between how many points you earned in class and lab. So the last week, there's just 2 chapters that you need to cover, right? Exam 5 covers those 2 chapters. There's just 1 quiz that's due, and that'll be due before May 7th. Okay, you'll get this announcement next week here coming up. So I just want you to be aware. Now, this exam's a little bit different than the other exams. It won't be 50 questions. This course is called blah, blah, blah. That's worth 8 points. Don't miss that. The course required a lab used to determine your total points. That's true. Both of those are true. They're worth 8 points. And then you have, right, a total of 30 questions, and they're worth 3 points apiece. So I don't think you get a little bit less time. I think 40 minutes. But the first 2 questions are true. No big deal. It's just, and there's only 2 chapters on this. It should be the easiest exam you take. So get it out of the way. I might ask Emily if she can maybe open up Practical 2 a little bit before. I think she has it right now scheduled to be open on May 2nd. Maybe when she's finished it, she can post it for you guys. I'll ask her about that. But what I'll do, right, once you've done that, then I can, right, this is the grade book, all the quizzes that you've taken, right, and then the grades in the grade book. This is the exam. There's 5 exams, all worth 100 points apiece. Then you had some extra credit opportunities. There's a flyer assignment that you need to complete before April 30th. That's worth 30 points. And then your lab points, there's a total of 300. So I will enter that in the grade book after you complete. You complete it, and then Emily's going to have to grade it. Okay, so once she's finished grading it, she'll let me know, and I'll put your lab points here. And then I'll add your lecture, this lecture, and at the bottom here, total points of lecture and lab, which would be a total of 1,000 altogether. So I'll enter your total points, and if you haven't taken exam 5, they won't be included, but I may put it there just so you know what you need on exam 5. You might take exam 5 before practical 2. I don't know, but anyway, I have to enter these points in myself, and I just use whatever points the computer adds up for me, and I just put it in there for you. And then I'll add next to it, once everything's turned into me, you completed exam 5, or if you haven't completed exam 5, and it's the end of the semester, I might post your grade right next to the total points so that, you can see that before I turn it into records. I'll probably be doing that about May 10th. It depends on if there's any people that haven't finished stuff and how quickly Emily grades the practical. So that's how that goes. But I like to, the semester doesn't technically end until May 12th. So you'll be able to access the website until May 12th. After that, you won't be able to. right? If you want to see your grade, you got to go to wherever you guys go to see the grades. Well, after I post them, that kind of thing. Okay, so I just wanted to make this quick little video to, explain the total points, and that I'm going to add that there, and then to remind you everything that you need to complete now before the end of the semester. And I appreciate you guys taking my class, and good luck with everything you do. Thanks.